Hello everyone and welcome. Join me as I show you how I made this yummy gizzard suya. It is so yummy, guys, and the recipe is really simple. So join me and enjoy the video. For this chicken gizzard recipe, I have my gizzard here ready in the pot, and I'm just going to pour in my chopped onions. After pouring in the chopped onions, I'm going to add my seasoning cube, followed by some curry. This is 1 teaspoon of curry, and I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of thyme. I will also be adding 1 teaspoon of garlic, minced garlic. You can also use garlic powder in place of the minced garlic. Next, I'm going to add salt. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of salt. And first, I'm going to make sure that the ingredients mix properly. After mixing the ingredients in properly, then I'm going to add a little bit of water. I'm not going to use too much water. Yeah, this amount of water is fine. And then I'll continue mixing. So now that I've mixed all the ingredients properly, then I'll turn on the flame and cook for 10 minutes. I have vegetable oil in this bowl. The next thing I'm going to do is to add some seasoning cubes into the oil. I'll make sure that I crush the seasoning cubes and I will mix. So I just keep mixing until it is very homogeneous. It's been cooking for 10 minutes now, and I don't want to overcook it, so I'm going to stop the heat at this point. So I have drained the gizzard and allowed it to cool down. It's in a bowl right now, and I have my suya spices here. I also have bell peppers. I have yellow bell pepper, orange and red bell pepper. I also have onion as well. So I made sure that I didn't cut them into small chunks. They are quite big in size. And I also got this natural bamboo skewers sticks, which I'm going to use shortly, and I'm going to do a demonstration of how I'm going to use all of this. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to put the gizzard and the bell peppers on the stick. I'm going to start with bell pepper. Okay, like so. And I'll put the gizzard as well. I'll add the gizzard, and I'm going to alternate the different kinds of peppers and onions with the gizzard. Okay, so this time around I'm going to use onion and red pepper. Like I said, I'm going to alternate them throughout the stick. Okay. Like so. I'm going to use another onion now. Okay, so the first one is pretty much ready. It's on the stick ready, and I'm going to continue like so. I've laid all of them on the parchment paper. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to apply the oil and seasoning mix that I prepared earlier on. I'm going to apply on each one. So I'm going to massage the oil mix, the oil and seasoning mix. I'm going to massage in for each one, and then I'll flip them over and repeat the same thing on the other side. Okay, so I'm going to apply the oil mix to the other side. and massage again. So this is what I'm going to do for all of the gizzards before proceeding to the next stage. I'm now sprinkling the suya spice all over. Okay, and I'll flip over each one and sprinkle the suya spice on the other side as well, like so. And what I'm going to do again is to massage again. So I'm going to massage the suya spice so that it can penetrate as much as possible. Like so. Now that they are all well seasoned with the suya spice, and I've massaged the suya spice and the oil in, I'm going to arrange them on the rack, like so. To grill them in the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Our gizzard suya is ready, guys, and it's looking so yummy. It smells amazing, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and join the Boreas DIY family. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you, my new subscribers and my returning subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for watching. And if you try this out, please leave a comment to the comment section to tell me how it goes. Thank you so much, and look forward to my next recipe. Thank you, and see you soon in my next video.